Today we're going to look at a stunning 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 3-car garage with impressive curb appeal from the moment you arrive. A beautifully designed front elevation features a blend of neutral stucco, contrasting trim, and a modern roofline that highlights the home's contemporary character. Manicured desert landscaping, stone accent, and a welcoming covered entry create a warm first impression. Later on, or if you just skip ahead, we're going to step out back to discover a backyard you're not going to believe. This home is located in Verrado in the West Valley. It's a master planned community with many different styles of living. It's nestled near the White Tank Mountains, and it comes with its own amenities. 2 championship golf courses and picturesque views of those golf courses with a clubhouse near the top of the mountain. It also has the Vic for upscale dining. There's also a main street, giving you the sense of living in a small town. So let's step inside, take a look around, and then we'll make our way out back. Step inside and feel the warmth of modern Verrado living from the very first moment this home wraps you in light. There's wide hallways, clean lines, and elegant details that feel both refined and inviting. The open concept design flows effortlessly, connecting the main living area. Neutral tones and natural textures create a calm, timeless aesthetic. The guest bedroom is close to the kitchen but separate from the rest of the owners. High ceilings and designer lighting add just the right touch of drama. The kitchen is the true heart of the home. Sleek granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a massive island for gathering, and cabinetry that blends modern form with everyday function. Whether you're hosting neighbors for brunch or making a quiet dinner at home, this space was made for connection. Let's make our way into the living quarters, into the primary bedroom. First, we'll start with the bathroom. Imagine starting your day here. Plenty of space, no rubbing elbows here. You have a deep garden-type bathtub to relax and soak after a hard day, and a separate shower in case 2 want to get ready. There's an ample walk-in closet, providing plenty of space and storage. Pristine cultured marble dual sinks are convenient for your use. The primary bedroom is also a grand space, plenty of room to design it as you wish and make it your own. Now it's time to make our way into the other guest quarters and to show you what the amenities are for them. We have a full bath for the other 2 bedrooms in this area. And adjacent to that is an absolutely large, huge laundry room to take care of all the clothes that are being generated out of these 2 rooms. Now you notice these are set up for children, but any guests you have who might want to stay here with you, but it's separated from the master. This is the 3rd of the other guest bedrooms. Each has its own closet. But enough with the rooms. I know you've been waiting to see that backyard. While the trampoline doesn't convey, the child's playset does. An entertainer's dream, complete with sparkling pool, pergola shade area, mature palms, and terraced landscaping that gives the space a true resort feel. Whether relaxing by the water or hosting gatherings under the Arizona sunset, this home's exterior is as inviting as it is impressive. What type of decor would you place on this multi-level terrace just above the waterfall? This pool is heated, PebbleTech lined, has cool decks around, a variable speed pump, useful all year round in Arizona. Several seating areas are also available under the patio and under a pergola where you can see a large table for entertaining. This home also comes with a pre-plumbed gas stub on the corner for your giant barbecue grill. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of this beautiful house nestled in the White Tank Mountains on the quiet streets of Verrado out in Buckeye, Arizona. If you're interested in this home, give me a call or call your agent. Come out and see it today before it's gone.